My name is Ted Wacker, and I'm an attorney here in Newport Beach, and I have my own law firm. I've been in practice now in the state of California for 30 years. We represented Mrs. Yi, who was injured as she went to church one Friday evening, like many people might do, and this was up in downtown Los Angeles. She went to go park her car at the parking lot, the overflow parking lot, and then she came around and she was waiting on the sidewalk, and the two deacons of the church, who were basically acting as parking attendants, told her to wait there. It was at night, let us help you cross the street. So she was waiting on the sidewalk as they were finishing their business, which included closing the gate and locking it to the parking lot. The track of the gate, which we later found out was, damaged and defective and dangerous, essentially allowed the wheels of the gate to come off the track. And basically, when it came off the track while they're closing it, it just kind of, ran away like a 1,000-pound freight train, because there was nothing to stop it. It wasn't on the track, and they also didn't have any type of stopping mechanism at the back of the gate to prevent it from just rolling away. So the gate rolled off the track, and then ultimately, when it got beyond the last post, it then fell on top of it. The biggest obstacle was the fact that the different defendants were blaming each other for what happened. The church's coverage only extended to if there was an incident on the property, meaning on the church property. Well, this incident happened across the street. And so the church's insurance through their landlord didn't cover this incident. And so then, anyway, we had them as a defendant. And then we also had the auto body repair shop as a defendant, because there was this defective track. The problem with that is that the Korean auto body shop owner, they had only been leasing this property for some time. The building owner, the landlord, had owned this property for 30 years. And really, under the law, the landlord, meaning the owner of the property, is the one to be responsible for maintaining the integrity of that gate. As I saw things, I felt like there was probably some responsibility, against each one of the defendants in certain respects. The vigils that DK Global had done included two things. One, they had included the sort of recreation or the animation of the gate falling on Miss Yi. So we showed that part of the gate falling on Miss Yi. And then, in addition, we were able to show, where she testified that the gate struck her, and then match those up with the injuries that she had in her medical records, and actually photographs that showed bruising to those areas. Thankfully, this jury in Alhambra saw it, that they were all in part responsible, and, ultimately awarded my client $929,000. I think DK Global goes that extra mile to make sure that what they're giving the attorney is as perfect as it can be.